Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. As to this back to me. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2020 BMW X1. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the front brakes and rear brakes. The rear brakes are like a tough. For those that don't know anything about brakes, okay, you're gonna have to use a scanner. But if you don't have a scanner, I'm gonna show you how to do it without scanning. You know what I'm saying? Because I do this. You know what I'm saying? Before I jump into that, you know I gotta say, I'm gonna say it again. Alright, subscribe to the channel. That's how you support the channel. Alright, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Know what I'm saying? Okay. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright, anything you have in mind, put in the comment box. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. It's like regular TV. You know what I'm saying? You gotta come with commercials, you know what I'm saying? But these commercials last between 5 to 10 seconds, you know what I'm saying? So if you feel stressed, you know what I'm saying, go get a drink, let the ad run, you know what I'm saying? Or watch it if you're interested. Let it run, you know what I'm saying? Cool down for a minute, then come back and keep doing this thing, you know what I'm saying? More or less, let's do this. Eat. It's gonna be 13. This one has a sensor though, alright? So this one is gonna be 18 right there, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Oh, over here you're gonna have to hold it here with a 17 range, alright? And then hit it with a 13 over here, 13 socket, you know what I'm saying? Just pry bar this guy, wiggle it, it's gonna come out just like that, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna push the piston back like any other regular piston. Alright, I'll show you how to do it in a minute. Put this thing over here, let it hang right there. Okay. You're gonna have to remove the pads though. Alright, this one's gonna be it's gonna be 6 Allen. You know what I'm saying, hate that. 18. This one too. Okay. Careful though. You lose the bolts, brake can come out. Now I'm just gonna tap this. Careful though, because it's gonna drop. The rotor part number. Right here. This one right here. 3411 688 65713, or this one. Okay. Now I'm just gonna mount the rotor. Make sure this is in line with that guy. Okay, the one in the middle. Okay. Forget to put the ball back. 6 Allen. Tied it. That's good. Now that guy, the piston, we're gonna push it back with this. You know how this thing works, right? Put it like that. Now start spinning this clockwise until the piston is all the way down, until you cannot push it no more, until you cannot press it no more. Alright, that's how we're gonna do it. Now you see the sensor, it broke in this case though. That's the old one. Okay, just follow it. That it's gonna go like this. It's gonna go up here. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove that. Alright, and maybe this one, I'll let you know. Actually, you're gonna have to remove this. That's gonna be an 8mm socket. Okay, so you can push this to the side, somehow fold it so you reach to that guy. So follow this one. Like that. Oops. I'm just gonna press this like that. Okay, now the new one's gonna go the same way. Usually the brakes come with the sensor as a package, but if it doesn't, that's a part number 34356888167. That's the brand name. That's the name of the brand, Dead Star. Now we just connect it, reroute it. Okay. I think we're gonna leave it at the end when we put the pads, the new brake pads. I'm gonna put the caliper bracket. This is the caliper bracket. Brush it over there. Brush it over there. Grease it. I'm using this guy. Brake Besto silicone brake lubricant. Okay, so now we're gonna put the brake pads, brand new brake pads. This one's gonna go against the piston. This one gonna go outside. You can tell by this one has like a special plate behind it. Okay, if you need a part number, there's a part number. Okay, or that one right there, 34106898 Now all we're gonna do here is just put it like this. Just like that, okay? Like this. And we're gonna do the same with this. Okay. Now we're gonna put the caliper, and then we put the sensor. Okay, just like that. Mount it like that. Okay. Now here we got this guy. I put it like this. Like this. Okay. Push it. If it helps, put some WD-40, or just grab a pry bar, push it from here. Okay. It's gonna set like that. Now you're Gucci. Alright, put this thing back. Put the bowl, put the clip. You're good. You need. In this case, the real one is kind of funny though. You're gonna have this guy. You know what I'm saying, okay. And have this bracket. Now, if you don't have the computer, I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? But if you have the computer, then, which is way easier. Alright. Without the computer, you're just gonna have to remove this guy. This guy right here. This guy right here. You're gonna pop it. You're gonna have to disconnect this guy. Okay. And once you disconnect it, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Alright. But for now, hold up. This is the part number for the rear rotors, 3421-6799-369. Alright. This is the brand name. Alright. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna unplug this. Just press it there, plug it. We're gonna remove this one. It's hiding over there too. Down right there. Alright, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it with a 5 Allen. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna remove this. This guys, it's just a cap, okay. This one in the back. One of the there. Now don't forget this one. This is the passenger side. Okay, rear. It comes with a sensor. I'll tell you about the sensor later though. But once you remove those bolts, right here, okay, wiggle it. It's gonna come out. Okay, it's gonna come out just like that. Okay. Now for this guy right here, we're gonna use the number, what is this? E12. Okay, and we're gonna turn it clockwise. Okay, all the way until you can. Okay, do it by hand, use a ratchet. It's okay, just don't force it once you cannot spin it no more. Okay, okay, so once you cannot turn it no more, try this guy so you can push the piston back. Okay, if not, you can remove these caps right here. This guy's 1 and 2. I didn't even hit those, not yet. I just removed the caps. But here, you're gonna wiggle it here, wiggle it here. I'm gonna make a gap here. Now you can push the piston back, just like that. That's not it. You're gonna push the piston back more once you remove the caliper. Now we're gonna do this. It's just gonna be like this. I'm gonna push it back a little bit. This guy's push it back. Once you push it back, even here, do this like that. Come out. Alright. Now you can do this with a 7 Allen. Here. And there. This guy's gonna come out. Okay. You can cut this, it's okay. I cut it, it's okay. We're gonna change it anyway. Come out. Okay. Keep it there. Remove this guy. Okay. Now we're gonna do this guys with an E14. Okay. Look like this. You remove those bolts. Remember to put some Loctite when you put them back. I'm gonna brush this guy here. I'm gonna brush it right there. Okay. I'm gonna use the same 6 Allen here. Remove that bolt. And we're just gonna whack it like that. Comes out. Now we'll put the new rotor. I gave you the part number. We'll put the bolt back, make sure they are aligned, okay? Since we have this thing out here, we're going to put this guy back, okay? Now this piston, I didn't put the back back yet. So the piston, we can push it a little bit more, okay? You know how we push it, the same way we push the front one. We're going to push it to the mats. Alright, let me show you just in case you don't remember. Just like that. Okay, push it. That's it, that's mats. Good cheap. Now it's easier if you do it now. Okay. Don't forget the other bolt that goes over here. Now we're gonna put the bracket back. Don't forget to put some of this Loctite on the threads of the bolts that hold this bracket. Okay. Just like that, alright? Not that much. Okay, just a little bit. Now we're gonna grab the brake pads. This one is gonna go against the piston. Show you. Goes like this. This is the one that are gonna have the sensor. And this one go like that. Pop. Okay. Now we just put this back like that. Okay. Now just connect this guy. Put the this guy's back like that. This other guy right here. There. I'm just gonna grab the new sensor. I'm gonna put it like that. Push it in there. Just like that. Okay. Now route it. This is the old one. Gonna go through here, it's gonna go here, okay. I'm gonna have to remove this one, it's 8mm socket. Now you see it vibes. Disconnect this guy over here. We'll remove it over here. Just like that. Pull it here, press it here, and then remove it and change it, put the new one. Okay, reroute it the same way. Goes there. The same as the old one, okay? Then connect it, you're good to go. Put the 8mm back, that's it. Gucci. Okay, this guy, okay? Like that, pop. Hold on, my bad. Like this. It's kinda hot today. Sorry. I'm tripping. Just like that. Hold it there, push it down there. Push it right here. There you go. That's pretty much it. That's how you get it done. That's how you get it done, cook. That's pretty much it. All you gotta do is put the tires back and step on the brake pedal until it gets hard. You know what I'm saying? Hope you like this video. Alright guys, hope you like this video. That's pretty much it. Alright, all you gotta do is step on the brake pedal until it gets hard. Pause. That's pretty much it. Just road test it and try to hear for any weird sound. And if you don't hear anything wrong, anything weird, then you're all set. You're good to go. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Alright, in the comment box. So before I go, I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to support the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. God damn it! Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Know what I'm saying? Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright. The other way you can support the channel is by the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it, alright? It's like regular TV, OLS TV. It used to come with commercials, right? And you couldn't skip it. Do the same thing, alright? Don't skip the ads, alright? Yeah. So yeah, if you feel stressed, you know what I'm saying? That's why I put the ads, so you can take a minute, take a break, you know what I'm saying? Go get a drink, come back, keep doing this thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy, catch me in the next one. I'm out there. Yeah.